Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Poncho Setiawan and I am host of the account at Toko Bangunan Online and Toko at Toko Bangunan _online, and I'm bahasa Inggrisan. I just changed the mic because my mic was broken, and I think it's really important for everyone to get the correct mic, and this is the really cheap one. I bought this about 20k rupiah, it's about $1, and I found a way to make the original apps for phone to get the better audio without installing open camera. It's common for everyone to install that great apps, but I think this phone has a better feature, so I decided to get how we can figure out the audio for the apps, the original apps. So what you need is a splitter, splitter from 3-pin TRRS to the TRS, and then you got mic mono, which is TRS, and plug it in into that splitter, and I think the audio turns really good, and I think that's a better idea because it's really cheap way. You just spend about 15k rupiah. It's about $1 for splitter and $1.50 probably for the mic, and you get this sound. I'm here with Pak Tukang right there, building the what we say in English, this drain, and then and also I decided this is the thing, right? I decided to make a road podcast, and that need the two mic together. So what I'm gonna do is just try to find another splitter from audio, from mic, from mono to mono. So I just ordered that already on the marketplace. It costs about 40k rupiahs, about $2, and then I need another mic so we can make a podcast while we are on the road.